The blender has been started using this button. What the blender is doing is swirling with little razors. Whoa! It's cutting up. This was actually strawberries. This was strawberries and banana. He pressed this button to start the swirling, and now it's a smoothie. That's how to use a blender.
It's done.
Now it's all done. Oh, isn't Sam excited? I guess the only thing left to do is get out a glass and enjoy.
I like banana smoothies.
That part's difficult. I'm gonna let Sam do that.
The whole thing came.